everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the N26 app stuck on loading screen. First, check your internet connection. Ensure that you are connected or your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working. Then, try switching between networks if needed. Next, swipe off from the bottom of your screen, look for the N26 app and completely close it by swiping it away. Wait for a few while, then reopen it. After that, you're going to restart the device to refresh the system. Next, head over to your App Store, search for App Store or Play Store, search for the N26 mobile app and update the N26 app if an update is available. If the problem continues, long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for the app and reinstall it. Avoid using a VPN while using the app. That's how to fix the N26 app stuck on loading screen. Like and subscribe for more banking fixes.